Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best tool bag for plumbers you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best tool bag for plumbers in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is DEWALT DG5543 16-inch tool bag. This tool bag features a pop-open design and large interior compartment to allow for easy access to tools and parts. The pop-open design and large interior compartment allows you easy access to tools and parts. The 14 interior pockets including one zippered pocket to secure valuables makes this the best choice for all contractors. When durability is needed, this easy double pull, heavy-duty zipper will outperform your expectation, and the heavy-duty poly and ballistic poly fabric construction will outlast most other bags. It also features 4 base pads to protect bottom from wet and dirty conditions. The large mouth opening of this tool bag allows easy access and the large interior compartment allows for easy access to tools and parts. No more scraping your hands to get at stuff and struggling to get large tools out of this bag. The ballistic poly fabric this is constructed with is flexible to the touch and stronger than traditional fabrics. This tool bag has 20 exterior pockets allow for hundreds of organization options. 1 exterior flap-covered pocket with hook and loop closure. 13 interior pockets including 1 zippered interior pocket to secure valuables. Heavy-duty poly fabric construction. Base pads to protect bottom. Adjustable shoulder strap. For details, let's watch more. Our second best tool bag for plumbers is DEWALT DWST-17814 Tstak Toolbox. The DEWALT DWST-17814 Tstak Toolbox has a compartmentalized tool storage design for plumbers, both amateurs and professionals. The Tstak Deep Toolbox with long handle offers extra large storage capacity, a top lid organizer and the convenience of a long bi-material handle in one. The unit is compatible with all Tstak modules for added convenience. It also offers heavy-duty latches to keep your tools secure. This one is a reasonable replacement for those who experience fatigue while carrying a cumbersome and heavy toolbox. As being lightweight and featuring a comfortable lifting handle, the device allows minimum effort to bring it to work. The main reason why professionals prefer this solidly made structure is its layout of storage. There is no doubt that all your essential plumbing tools can securely settle inside those deep compartments. It is the win for both customers and the manufacturer when robust material is picked to build the product. Heavy-duty plumbers also appreciate rust-resistant metal latches, which promise a long-lasting and easy-to-open toolbox. Third pick in our list is WORKPRO 16-inch wide-mouth tool bag. The easy-to-carry WORKPRO 16-inch wide-mouth tool bag is what you need for frequent work trips. The WORKPRO 16-inch top wide-mouth tool bag is constructed with rugged 600D polyester fabric and will stand the test of time. The extra padded handle and adjustable shoulder strap add extra comfort when carrying of heavy loads. There are many ways for you to choose how to carry. WORKPRO dedicated to offer you the best cost performance tool bag. There are 8 pockets inside, 3 along each side, 2 along the 2 ends. The pockets are around 4.5 inch deep, and approximately equal in size, and bulgy, meaning they are good for holding tape measures, plier handles, etc. There are 13 outside pockets and 8 belts to organize a variety of wrenches, pliers, screwdrivers, meters, and accessories. It will keep your gear organized and secure, no more digging through the bag to find that one plier. The hard waterproof molded base keeps the bag clean and dry, protects your tools in the bag from hard falls. No need to worry about your tools getting rust and wet. Number 4 in our side is WORKPRO Close Top Storage Tool Bag. The WORKPRO Close Top Storage Tool Bag in their daily basic need for a plumber. The WORKPRO 18-inch top wide mouth tool bag is constructed with rugged polyester fabric. There are 6 pockets inside, 7 along 2 sides. The pockets are around 1 by 4 inch deep, and approximately equal in size. The pockets are suitable to organize a variety of wrenches, pliers, screwdrivers, meters, and accessories. It will keep your gear organized and secure, no more digging through the bag to find that one plier. WORKPRO tries its best to provide easy tool packing and access for its users. Keep in mind that you can store massive tools inside the center compartment, but it will take up most of the space for other accessories. Plumbing hand tools can be put into the built-in inner pockets, meanwhile, personal belongings should be in the outer mesh holder. With an adjustable shoulder strap and added handle, we can bring this loaded package everywhere without much difficulty. Last in our best tool bag for plumbers list is McGuire Nicholas 22015 Collapsible Tote. Every plumber will love an affordable and ample tool bag like this McGuire Nicholas 22015 Collapsible Tote. When individuals need heavy loads of hand tools for complicated tasks, they can rely on the sturdy handle to carry this bag around. Due to the use of tubular steel as the core and the foam padded cover, the manufacturer makes sure the part is both durable and comfortable enough for users to bring extensive weight. It is possible because of the metal frame that holds the piece up and gives it the right balance even when empty. Plumbers are all familiar with the reputation of McGuire Nichols in the industry for its well-functioned products. Beginners can start their careers in the plumbing job by making a cost-effective investment in this tool bag. It is of great value since its high quality can keep up with a pro.